How to add Steam friends on PS5. Hi there! In today's video, you will learn how to add Steam friends on the PS5. To add Steam friends on the PS5, it's important to clarify that Steam and PlayStation Network (PSN) are separate platforms, and you cannot directly add Steam friends to your PS5. However, here are a few workarounds depending on the game and cross-platform support. If the game supports cross-platform play and account linking, like Call of Duty, Fortnite, and Rocket League, 1. Link your Steam and PSN accounts through the game's publisher website. 2. Add your friend using their in-game username or ID. Go to the Friends or Social menu within the game. Use their Epic ID, Activision ID, or game-specific friend code. 3. Once connected, you'll be able to join their parties, invite into games, and use the voice chat if supported. Example by games. Fortnite. Link your Epic Games account, then add friends via Epic ID. Call of Duty. Use Activision IDs to add friends cross-platform. Rocket League. Link to Epic Games and use their ID to add friends. Limitations. You cannot see your Steam friends list on PS5 directly. No universal Steam to PSN friends system exists. Alternative. If your friend has both Steam and PS5, ask them to add you directly on PSN. Or you both can play via crossplay compatible games and use publisher accounts to connect. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to add Steam friends on the PS5. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.